Hello Patel, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2015 Lexus RX350. This is a black and brown interior. This vehicle is available at this time. We just came out our showroom and it's very clean. They have a trailer hitch at the back that you could tow in. Brand new tires, brand new brakes, and fully safety and certified. So if you want to meet to secure this unit, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.